All right, so I'm unveiling the Franken dump, okay? That's what we're gonna call it, I believe. We're gonna call it the Franken dump, okay? We put this thing together, and this is what we got. We got the bed insert, it's for an 8-foot bed. We got a heavy-duty utility trailer. I got a box on the side for the battery. We're not hooking it up to the truck because I don't want to drain that battery. That's gonna suck if I'm down the road and I drain it. Pump in the front, and that's that. We're gonna load this thing up with wood. I wanna see how much wood I can stick in here. The wood's here. We're gonna see if we can stick that wood in here. I wanna see if I can fit full cord in here. It's for an 8-foot box, so we're gonna see what happens. And then the side rails, I put these on here. We might have to stack a little extra on this side, a little on the other side. We'll see what happens. And if I need to, we'll use a little bit in the back of the box. Let's get this thing loaded. A full cord, right? So that line, go point the line. This line, get down a little bit. So this line is going to be the full cord. We have this much left to fit the full cord in there. I think we can fit it. We're going to do it. Tires, looking good. We're still there. How are we squatting? Oh yeah, we're good. What do we see under here? Hardly any squat. Nice. Looks like that's going to hold up well. We might do it. We might get one. We'll fill it in the truck otherwise, but we're going to fit this. So full cord, I don't really know. If I had all the sides all the way done, I think we could fit it. If I stacked it tall just like this, we could fit the full cord, but I don't feel safe driving it down the road, so I'm gonna throw the rest in the back of the pickup and we're gonna be good to go. But that did just stack the full cord. But the sides would actually fit it. I do believe that if we stacked this wood in here like this, that's why I built these out to this size. Stack that up right along there, we could get that other face cord right on there. No problem, or the rest of that little bit of wood that's leaning here. This is all we're trying to grab now. This is it. And that would definitely fit on this side rail. So that's that. What do you think of the Franken dumpster? That's what we loaded that thing in, I don't know, how many minutes? 10 minutes or something like that. Is it gonna haul it? We're gonna find out here in a little bit.